This is Felix. He actually likes his home. But it annoys him that he has to switch lights on and push plugs in by hand. Wouldn't it be great if he could simply do it all with a voice command? Felix searches the internet for an uncomplicated solution to his problem. And here, he discovers just the right thing. The Wi-Fi switch from Hama. The retrofitting switch fits behind power sockets, light switches, or in various devices. Felix is very impressed. He immediately buys a number of switches. A short time later, they are all installed in his house. Now, Felix can get started. With the Hama app, he can operate the switches very easily and create automations and scenes. Felix is very pleased at such comfort. The Hama switches naturally obey without question. Alexa, sitting room light off. Felix always has full control over his smart home. And the best thing is, it works even when you are out. Felix is overjoyed. With Hama's retrofitting switches, he has a smart home at last. And that without having to replace any light switches or power sockets.